Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
Christina. I
Yes,
am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. Can you tell me your name, how to pronounce?
Yes, my name is Ramzan.
Ramzan. Oh, great.
Yes,
Nice to meet you. And where are you from?
I am from India.
From India. Okay, nice. How long have you been using Cambly?
I'm practicing here from last 1 month.
Oh, 1 month? Okay.
Yes,
Have you practiced English before using Cambly?
yes. Earlier, I was watching videos on YouTube, and other than that, I was also reading some books in order
Okay.
to create a flow of the English speaking.
Mm-hmm. That's
Yes.
great. So what is, maybe tell me about yourself a little bit more. Talk about maybe like your occupation, what you're currently doing.
Yes, I am a software engineer. I am working on websites and mobile apps.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, working as a freelancer from home. So, I have my own office.
Nice.
Yes.
I do you enjoy this type of work like at home, or do you prefer being in an office like
Mm,
before like the pandemic? It
yes,
was
actually, I started my own work when pandemic started. So
okay.
I enjoy my work because I'm working for myself. So everything
Yes.
is, I mean, there are a lot of projects I have finished, and the code of all those projects is there in my computer. So
Yeah.
whenever I am interested to reuse that code, so it is quite easier for me. And if I am working in a
Mm.
company, so definitely I would not have any type of access of everything which I am interested to do. So that's why this is one of the best part I found that I can reuse my efforts.
That's really good. That's
Yes.
amazing,
So
actually.
what's your profession?
I currently I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I have two children,
Uh-huh.
and my usually my days are about taking care of them and
Mhm.
homeschooling them because some of the schools are not open.
Uh-huh.
Um, and then on my free time, like on the weekends, when
Mhm.
my children go with their
Uh-huh.
they go for 2 days. And that's when I usually do Cambly. So that's as much as I do at the moment.
Okay. So earlier, I mean, you graduated?
No, I did start. I graduated high school, but that's about it. Then I tried to do some classes at the university,
Uh-huh.
and then I but then I became pregnant and I got really sick, so I stopped going to school.
Uh-huh.
And ever since then, I haven't gone back again. So I've just been, I had worked a lot and had my child, and so, but it's a thought that I want to go back to school. That would be nice to finish.
Okay. So I mean, in future, you are only taking care of your home, right? Or you will
Yes,
be
right
doing
now
anything?
that's all I'm doing. Mhm.
Yes, right now, but in future you will be doing any type of continuing any profession.
Yeah, there are a few things that are available to me that I would like to pursue and finish.
Uh-huh.
Um, for me, going back to school would be important, so I would like to study psychology.
Uh-huh.
That's what I want to do, but who knows if I will be able to accomplish that. And then in my hometown, I'm from Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so my family, my mother, she owns a few properties and she owns an apartment complex.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but she told me she wants to pass it over to me. So once that happens, I probably will be investing my time, mm, you know, working on that and taking over the business and with my family. So I think that's my future so far.
Okay,
What I'll
good.
be doing.
So you got married and then become pregnant or before that marriage?
No, I met my right now he's my ex-husband, but we met in high school and we got together for many years, and then I got married, and then I had a child. I have
Okay.
two.
Okay, great. So currently,
Yeah.
in which country you are?
I am in United States. I live in Corvallis, Oregon. That's the state that I live in, Oregon.
Okay. And can you please tell me the best thing that you found where you are living?
Oh, like one of my favorite things about Oregon, maybe?
Yes, I mean
Ah,
the things which are making you feel that you are living in the best place.
okay. Well, for sure, Oregon is a very, it's cold, so I like the cold weather.
Uh,
And it's also very clean and it's very close to nature. So there are forests everywhere. I can go on hikes and I feel very connected to Earth, if that makes sense. So for me, it's good because if I have a stressful day or a stressful week, I can go out into nature and kind of recharge, kind of ground myself again. So that's what I like the most about here, about where I live.
okay, great.
Yeah.
And your English accent is American accent, right?
Yes.
Okay, like
I believe so because I grew up in Mexico, so my heritage and everything is Hispanic, and my first language is Spanish. But my father was from the US, so
mhm.
we grew up learning both at the same time.
Actually, I also talked with a lot of other people, like those from other countries like Canada. So they are they are laughing on the American accent. They are saying that they are using the words like water, bottle, so world, girl.
Yeah.
So don't you think that this is much focused words which are used in America? Is it like that?
Yeah. Say that question again. I'm not sure I understand.
I'm saying that in the people who are living outside the US,
Hmm.
so they are using the language in a flat way. They are pronouncing the words in a normal way, which are
Oh,
uh,
okay.
not which
Like,
are not spoken in the US, like water bottle.
oh,
So
yeah.
they
Water bottle.
yes, water bottle and world girl.
Yeah. World. Okay. Okay.
So I mean,
So
you like these words?
I mean, uh, there are what I've noticed in the American culture and like how they speak. It's very not as formal, and it's becoming more slang and more informal. So it's not very like the best. I'm just gonna say, compared to other places like British accents or Canada or they all have different ways of saying things. Just because I grew up like learning it, that's why I know it, but maybe it's not the best.
But my goal is to achieve the American accent.
Okay. Then you're on the right track then. You can keep talking to me.
Yes, sure.
We'll get there.
Okay, so
So, go ahead.
one more thing is like you are taking care of your childrens and you are saying that you are homeschooling them.
Hmm.
So in future you will be homeschooling them or you will be sending
Um,
them in a school.
for now, they're young. They're very young. So my youngest son is 2, and the other one is 5. So
Uh-huh.
I will continue to homeschool until probably first grade. So maybe one more year for my
Mhm.
oldest son,
Uh-huh.
and we'll see how the school system, if they open up again, then maybe he can go to school then. But yeah, for
Okay.
the future, yeah, I probably will take him to school. But for now,
So
I'll help.
I found that there are a lot of people in US who prefer homeschooling throughout the career of their children.
Yeah,
So
I think
why it is so?
it's not better, I think, because sometimes the school system is not very good. I don't
Mhm.
I don't believe that, but Yeah, we're running out of time, but it was nice meeting you, and hopefully we can talk soon again.
Okay, thank you. Bye.